Friends, this is ginger, and today I'll be telling you what are the good benefits of ginger. It is even called adrak in Hindi. In India, we call it as adrak, and this is the ginger root. It is very healthy and it has good benefits. I'll show you some benefits right today. I've taken a nice piece of ginger here, so I'll be crushing this. I'll just crush this. So friends, I'll just be adding little sugar. You can even take jaggery if you want. I'm used to sugar, and if you're not having diabetes, sugar is alright. So I took 2 spoons of sugar, and I'll just take 1 spoon of tea powder. This is Taj Mahal tea powder, so I'm just adding 1 spoon. That's more than enough for me. Then I crushed some ginger over here. I'll be adding this ginger, which I already crushed here, and I showed you how much ginger I took. So I just take this, I add it in here, and today, because I'll be talking to you about the benefits of ginger, I'm starting up with the chai, and this is known as ginger tea too, and it's very good for your throat, and I'll be talking more about it in the coming minute. See friends, the tea is steaming out so well. You can see the fumes coming out. It's so nice. It's smelling so delicious. So ginger is overall very good for your throat. And if you have any irritation, it's anti-inflammatory and it soothes your throat. It is very good. And whenever you feel irritation, whenever you have any sinus, ginger water, ginger tea, like how I'm making and showing you right now, all this helps friends. So here's my chai is done. I'll be sieving this now and sipping it and tell you what are its more uses of ginger and why we should use it more often and how does it help. So this is how I'm sieving my tea, my chai, ginger adrak wali chai it's called in India, so it is a ginger chai. So this is how I sieved it till the last drop because there's ginger down and we should always take the whole extract of the ginger. So friends, yeah, so I finished making my chai, and this is my morning time and the kiddos are at school studying and I'm at home and I'm getting ready to do my errands and other stuff. So friends, you should always sit down for yourself and have a nice breakfast actually before, even when I was trying to lose weight, and yesterday I just posted my video on how to lose weight. So first thing was I never sat down for my breakfast and I never ate a good breakfast, a healthy breakfast actually. So I would just go empty stomach to my workplace and all and never took care, and I said, oh, I can have anything for lunch and anything. So I just make a nice cup of chai for me first thing. First thing in the morning is I drink my warm water. So there's nothing in it except for warm water and it's from the copper vessel, that's it. And today I'll be just sharing you, even if you don't have time for yourself, even if you have just a slice of bread, you can just dip it in your chai and eat peacefully and easily and don't think about anything else. Give time to yourself, and the most important thing is to give time and have a little breakfast and don't go hungry without not having breakfast. So finish your breakfast and then do the other things. Relax for yourself for 10-15 minutes and then start up with whatever kitchen work you have, or you have to make lunch for the kiddos and you and your family. So first thing is always sit down and relax for yourself. So yeah, friends, about ginger, then first thing is any discomfort you have in your tummy, it is very soothing and it is very helpful for nausea. So sometimes you have nausea, so you can have ginger water or ginger tea. You'll feel so relaxed. Ginger tea is even good for your digestion. I have told you many times that in every food I'm putting ginger, turmeric, and nice spices, which I've always showed you. So, ginger even is good for digestion. And I've always told you that ginger even reduces inflammation and it even stops your burps. So it's a very good thing again. Ginger is very good for even respiratory things, and it cures at least asthma, at least. So where whatever you have on your chest and upper respiratory, this one, it cures a lot, and it's very good for asthma too. Ginger even helps in good blood circulation, good flow of your blood in your whole body, and it pumps the blood better. So, and I'm almost done with my chai also. So, it's very good for the blood flow also in the long run. And if you have any chills or fever, it reduces that also. Ginger is even very good for menstrual pain, which ladies and girls go through. So, it's very beneficial for girls who have tummy pain and not feeling good on those days. So, ginger is very good for those kinds of pains also. Whenever I have ginger tea in the morning and I feel good because it relieves my stress. Even I go through stress a lot, but we have to go through all the cycles of life, and everybody has some or the other stress in their life. I've seen even children of first grade children also having so much of stress that they have to go to school and they have to study, and they become happy only when they either go to school. They don't want to go to school actually, but when they come back, then they say that we want to be in the school itself. So it's a very good stress reliever also. And I have always told you that how ginger is an immunity drink and how well it acts, and it is very good immunity. I've always, whenever I went out for doing shopping in from March to now, whenever I go out, whenever I come at home, I always crush ginger and drink it in water. I drink chai only in the morning one time, so I don't drink much of caffeine. So first thing is always comes into my mind is only drink ginger tea, and I drink ginger tea in my ginger water actually. That's a very good immunity booster. So try it out, and you'll see the difference that your immune system has become from 0 to 5 at least. And for a normal human being who is very healthy has at least 10, but we'll feel in the middle of it. Like we can say, okay, we are at least some healthy, and whatever the germs must have come through your shopping or something, the germs die off right if something has gone into your mouth. And if you feel that somebody was coughing in the store and immediately you come and drink the ginger water or ginger tea, you'll feel that whatever the germs were lying on your mouth or teeth or in your throat, it'll just get seeped down and swimmed down actually. And the stomach actually has a good acid which can kill all these viruses. So it's very good, friend. Yesterday when I was talking about weight loss and how I lost those 40 pounds in 2 years, I didn't do any crash dietings or anything. I just did simple things, and I've reduced half of the eating things and fried things. And as you saw, I always add sugar, and until you're not a diabetic, you don't have to get scared of sugar at all, because you need every nutrients to go into your body to make it healthy. So I was growing up and I always had sugar. So at least now I don't eat all those Indian desserts which I like, because I don't go out much to the stores to buy specially, oh, I need to eat some Indian stuff or Indian sugary stuff or cakes or pancakes or anything. I don't eat any of those things. Whatever I cook, I just eat those. So, so it helps in doing many things. And ginger tea is even good for Alzheimer's people, and people who have Alzheimer's. If they start drinking chai every day or tea every day, it will see that their Alzheimer's is going down, and they can remember more good things, and they won't forget that much. And it's always nice to have a cup of tea, because it's so cold in America, you need something to keep yourself warm. I used to take chai even when I was working. I used to take it in my flask and I would give it to my friends, and my friends would say, wow, this is so good. And I would give them everybody in that small disposable cups. They would say, oh, this is so good, this is so good. And they would ask me what I'm drinking in the flask. Sometimes I would have some ginger water or some immunity drink, but ginger chai was everybody's favorite. So and it even fights cancer, friends. If somebody has cancer and if they come to know in the initial stage, it prevents cancer also, because tea is again an antioxidant. And again, upon that, you're putting ginger and so many good benefits. And you're not taking whole milk, so it won't affect much of that saying that milk is not healthy, it causes mucus. Actually, see that how much hot the chai is, and when you drink it cold, it's not good. When you once you finish it warm and hot, it's nice. See, I already finished off my whole cup of my chai, and it is done till the last drop. So it is very good to always have good hot things during winter days. And now whenever you sleep and wake up, you can feel that, oh, I'm shivering, I'm feeling cold. Today in the middle at 5 o'clock, I think I woke up today at 5 o'clock a.m. and I was just lying on the bed because I was shivering. I came down to off my AC. And next time I've told the kiddos that we should not have the AC on for night so hardly. And it was too cold today in the morning. So that's why I said, okay, anyway, I'm making nice ginger tea for myself. Why not I make a good video and go from there and tell you all the benefits of ginger, and why I put so much of ginger in my foods the whole day. And in every food you'll see that I have ginger and garlic and turmeric and others. So today it was only my chai tutorial, and I enjoyed, and how we should have our breakfast. Though you don't have anything, I don't have much for breakfast. That was the only toast which I had for breakfast. And now till 2 o'clock in the afternoon or something, I'll not have my lunch. And once I have my lunch, I'll share that recipe tomorrow, I guess. So whatever I do, I show you. So I hope you enjoyed this little ginger benefits and how I make my chai and my tea. And I don't use whole milk. I only use 2%. So 2% has been very healthy from past 2-3 years. Before, I used to think, oh, we should get whole milk and I should add water. But whole milk has a lot of cholesterol and other things are higher. So 2%, even doctors told me I can have 2%, and once in a day tea or coffee will not harm anybody. Instead, it's a good immunity booster. So I hope, friends, if I talk, I'll be talking more and more and more. So friends, I'll end here, and if you have liked my video, like it, share it and subscribe. And if you have any comments, and I'm very happy that people are commenting and asking. Thank you all my subscribers. I love you all. Thank you for supporting me. Okay friends, then till next time. Bye. Have a great day.